pretty freaking windy out. Got all the stuff out. I'm about to set up base camp. It's a really nice day out. It's about 75 degrees, nothing too crazy. Hopefully the wind dies down a little bit. I'll have to be struggling with that. We'll see. Extendocito, cuz. Which way are you trying to take it? This way? I said we go that way.
You wanna go that way?
Yeah, hold on. Let's fucking move it first. We'll open up here and then move it where we need it. Alright, now you want to go under and push it up? Now we just come up on the legs. We're going to some rocks. We'll time to this. That's not good. Fuck. Oh, that shit did break, huh?
Yeah, this just did break.
Oh, that goes in the lever there, right? Lift. Oh, fuck, it did snap. Right there. Oh, yeah. Well, this shit's broken, so.
This is bent too.
This is bent too? Huh? Looks like we're baking in the sun, homie.
Let's lay this down.
Huh?
All the wind coming.
Yeah.
It's crazy how much it dies down when it gets down pretty sick to bring one of the bikes to.
Yeah. I think we can set up over here, dog. Oh yeah, dude. That's gonna be our shit spot. Hold on, I get service. I get 1 bar of service. A little service ain't enough though. gotta be window, homie.
Yeah.
Look at that screen.
He's there, right? I guess we'll come back. Oh shit! No.
Thank God you didn't finish that incantation. That fucked me up. Oh, they already.
God damn.
What happened?
Nothing.
Yeah.
Blast the heat up.
Can it fit two on there?
Yes, sir.
Grab the hand sanitizer out of there.
Can I? Of course I can.
Somewhere there. You want to lick your fingers clean?
I think I'll pass this time, Doug. Maybe next time. Maybe for dinner. Unlock that sucker. I'm gonna wait for the sun to set a little bit. Let me try getting up on these rocks. Maybe pee off one. It's the American dream. Where are you putting the trash?
What?
Where are you putting the trash?
The trash bag.
Alright.
Put everything up in this bitch. Damn, Velcro too? And a drawstring. Super secure.
Heating up some water.
What's up?
I just said heating up some water. Let's see if this is hot yet. Oh yeah, we boiling, brother. Oh yeah, dude.
Nice, dude.
Alright, where's this line they talk about?
Movie theater butter.
Tastes like it too.
I actually like it. Nice.
Oh man, let's dig in. God damn.
This is good.
Oh yeah.
Oh, son.
Want some assistance, Alex? Yeah, fish it through and then we'll pick it up. Ah, dude, I got it.
I guess I'll put fucking rocks inside. I don't know, dude.
There's the rig. Alright. Yeah, sleeping bag. Got 2 pads. Got some blankets. It's gonna be a good night. See how my boy is doing. How is it, Bing Bong?
It's actually pretty tight.
Huh?
It fits. I fit in here like long ways.
Hell yeah, dude.
It didn't look like I could, but it's pretty sick, dude. What'd you think, bro? Fucking gangsta, huh?
Dude, it's pretty tight, dude. Goes in the center, on the top.
Shit. Hell yeah.
Take this back. Ah, it's so nice out here.
Oh, hell yeah. There we go.
What was that?
Oh yeah, that shit going.
Ah. I could go from this way since the air is blowing that way. It's fine. We'll spin them. Nice. Time to do the old switch. And we back. Alright, anything else we're missing? Yeah, we gotta flip these.
Turn it like not even in the dark outside.
We did it, dude. It's camping. This is it. That's what Luke wanted, dude. Let's go outside and fucking touch grass, dude. Or sand.
How'd that air mattress turn out?
Pretty sweet, dude.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh.
Oh, that's hot. Dude, it's still fucking hot.
Alright, hold on. Let's do this. I'm gonna bring all those over here.
God, that's fucking hot. Oh, dude. Perfect. Oh no!
Your stick. Yeah. I'm gonna put that over there. It's too hot right now. Good.
Burps. Oh, hell yeah.
You farting or what?
Finna. Here it is right here.
God damn, dude. I'm a wizard, Harry. Yeah, Bing Bong. We're gonna be in the dark soon, homie.
Oh fuck, dude. This motherfucker. Oh, you probably should have like
Opened it.
Oh. That's tight.
We're like close to empty. Now, if it was full, we would have been cooked.
Yeah, if it was full, yeah. Two parts.
Fuck yeah, dude. That motherfucker came with a sequel, dog. I don't think we're getting anything exciting, brother.
Oh.
Should have farted on this, dude. Probably did a bigger effect.
That's actually, I don't know if being in the box makes it any different, but they're popping a little bit better.
Mm-hmm. Ooh. Fuck yeah. Brother, you have a good night?
Shit, you too, cuz.
I'll see you in the morning. It's about 5:30 in the morning. Sun's about to rise. You gotta start making breakfast. No. I fell asleep like probably like what time we going, like 10:30? Yeah, I slept like 11:30, so like an hour later.
One at my feet and then one like between my thighs. And it was just touching bare skin. I like,
Yeah.
oh, so close to burn.
And then I was like 11 o'clock, like 11:30 rolled around, and I was like,
How much room was in there? It's pretty roomy.
super roomy, dude.
Less of a slope. It wasn't like super bad, but every once in a while I'll notice that my feet are touching the opposite side.
Mine too. Like I fucking my toes start touching the back of my truck, and I'm like, scoot up a little bit.
Yeah, and air mattress.
Wonder-
Oh, yeah.
Oh, fuck. God, that landed right.
I'll fuck with it.
Yeah. Let me pass 2 more pieces.
Can't manage it.
More of the seasoning if you need more. Dusted them pretty good though.
It's been a while since I actually had any type of French toast. Let's see how this turned out. It smelled good though. Not fucking bad.
Everything all packed up. Time to go home.